Welcome. This is the Touch-Up Paint King instructional video for our polish and scratch repair kit. We hope these touch-up paint tips and tricks help you get the best results with your scratch and stone chip repairs. First, use the compound polish to prepare the repair area. Apply a small amount of the polish to the compound pad and work until absorbed. Repeat as necessary. This will clean the area, soften the edges of any chips or scratches, and remove any lighter scratches altogether. It also leaves a micro-fine abraded area that is great for paint adhesion. Buff with a clean section of polishing cloth to complete the polishing process. Next, pick up a very small amount of paint with the applicator or brush. Each paint application will appear lighter when wet and dry darker. Apply as little paint as possible, always trying to keep the paint inside the stone chip or scratch. Our paints are designed to be slightly translucent. This will help blend your touch-ups into your existing paint work. Allow approximately 20 minutes drying time between coats. By applying the paint in thin coats like this, you can slowly build coverage of the deeper chips, while blending into the surrounding area with any slight overspill. As you apply extra coats to any deeper chips or scratches, be sure to touch up any tiny stone chips in the surrounding area. Now to the larger area that needs attention on the bumper. This area has been painted by a previous owner with an older style oil-based base coat paint. This has led to decreased durability and the paint is detaching from the bumper. Again, use the compound pad and a small amount of polish and work into the repair area. Repeat as necessary, then finish with a clean section of polishing cloth. This leaves a good surface to apply new paint. Try to use as little paint as possible. Keep as much paint inside the chip or scratch as you can. When covering an exposed darker or lighter primer, several coats will be needed to obtain coverage. Each paint layer will appear lighter when wet and dry darker. Most colors will gain coverage in around 2 to 3 coats, but this can vary depending on each individual repair. Always try to keep to the areas of exposed lighter primer. Our paints are designed to be slightly translucent. This will help blend your touch-ups into your existing paint work. Try to keep to thin layers, covering only the damaged areas. Wait approximately 20 to 30 minutes between coats, allowing each coat to dry before adding a fresh layer. Repeat the process by touching in any areas that haven't gained full coverage with the previous coat. Once coverage has been obtained after 20 to 30 minutes, your touch-ups will be complete. Our overall best tip is to use as little paint as possible. Your factory paint job was extremely expensive to produce, so try to preserve as much of it as possible. Thank you for watching the Touch-Up Paint King polish and scratch repair video.